Okay, let's solve the rest of the homework problems. So let's do number 18. A student graphs the system as shown at right. Describe and correct the student's error. So the easiest way to do these, and I love giving you these because they make you think through the problem, is to solve it yourself. So let's go. We have x is greater than or equal to -2. Y is greater than 2. And 1/2 x plus y is greater than or equal to 0. So let's go over here. Let's graph it. X is greater than or equal to -2. We have y is greater than 2. And then we have 1/2 x plus y is greater than or equal to 0. Wow, I don't know about you, but my graph looks very different compared to what their graph does, right? So what did they do wrong? Well, it looks like they may have shaded some of the sides wrong, right? Can you write that down? Write it in your own words. You can draw a picture of how it should look, right? You can check my work and make sure I didn't do anything wrong, which is possible, but I think I got all those right. But if those are where they did, it looks like maybe we shaded some stuff wrong. Maybe the slope of this line is in the wrong direction. All right. Number 19. You receive a $100 gift certificate. The store sells t-shirts for $15 and dress shirts for $22. So before we go any farther, let's go ahead and let's make ourselves some variables. Let's say that t-shirts are equal to X and dress shirts are equal to Y. So you want to spend no more than the amount of the gift certificate. So 15X, which is the amount of money times how many t-shirts you buy, plus 22Y has got to be less than or equal to $100. But you want to leave with at most $10 on the gift certificate unspent. So that means 15x plus 22y also has to be greater than or equal to $90. Where did I get 90? Well, I need to spend at least $90. All right, so you need at least one dress shirt. So dress shirts were Y, so Y has to be greater than or equal to 1. All right, so let's go graph those three things on Desmos. So we said, over to Desmos, 15x plus 22y has to be less than or equal to 100. All right. We also said 15x plus 22y has to be greater than or equal to 90. Those are going to be parallel lines, right? And then finally, we said that y has to be greater than or equal to 1. All right? So what we need to do is we have to go through and figure out where are these lines matching. Now, I zoomed in a little bit ahead of time before I started this video because you can't have, it's true that this space right here would be an answer, but you can't have 1.3 shirts, right? So what we're going to look for is we're going to look for whole numbers on there. Right here is a whole number. So when x is 2, I'm going to make this a line so you can see it. When x is 2 and y is 3, that spot right there works. What else works? Well, no, not much. But actually, it's on this line right there. So when x is 5 and y is 1, it's on the line, but we said it was okay. This line is a solid line, so it's all right for it to be solid. All right, so you have to go back and look and tell me what x means and what y means, but those two numbers should complete our solution.